In Miami Beach, curb appeal isn't just about appearances, it's about capturing the essence of coastal living with a clean, vibrant, and stylish look that matches your home's unique charm. Whether you own a classic Art Deco property, a sleek modern condo, or a Mediterranean-style home, one of the most effective ways to elevate your exterior is by installing new windows. New windows offer more than energy efficiency and storm protection, they also play a major role in how your home looks and feels from the street. If you're looking to refresh your Miami Beach property and make a bold first impression, here's how new windows can instantly upgrade your curb appeal. Choose window styles that complement your architecture. Miami Beach homes are known for their diverse architecture, from historic to contemporary. Selecting window styles that harmonize with your home's design is essential for a cohesive look. Casement windows offer clean lines and work well with both modern and Mediterranean homes. Double-hung windows are great for traditional or coastal cottage-style properties. Picture and geometric windows can highlight architectural features and create a dramatic focal point. Custom-shaped windows or decorative grid patterns can add a personal touch that enhances visual interest. Upgrade to impact windows for style and function. Living in a hurricane-prone region like Miami Beach makes impact-resistant windows a necessity. But function doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. Today's impact windows come in a variety of frame finishes, glass tints, and configurations that can elevate your home's appearance while providing essential protection against storms and intruders. With sleek designs and minimal framing, they allow for more natural light and unobstructed views, all while keeping your home secure. Play with frame colors and finishes. Your window frames can dramatically affect your home's curb appeal. While white is timeless and popular, other frame colors, like bronze, black, or soft beige, can help accentuate your exterior paint and architectural details. For example, black frames add a bold, modern edge and contrast beautifully with lighter colored stucco or siding. Bronze or brown frames complement Spanish and Mediterranean styles. Custom finishes can mimic the look of natural wood without the upkeep. Choosing the right color can tie your entire exterior look together, giving your home a more polished and sophisticated appearance. Maximize natural light and ocean views. Miami Beach homes thrive on sunshine and scenery. Installing larger or strategically placed windows can make your home feel more open, airy, and connected to the outdoors. Consider replacing small, outdated windows with larger picture windows or floor-to-ceiling styles for a modern upgrade.
I've got news for you, society.
Adding transom or clear-story windows for extra light without sacrificing privacy. Installing bay or bow windows to create a dynamic, elegant exterior shape. Not only do these upgrades enhance curb appeal, but they also improve your interior ambiance, making your home feel brighter and more spacious. Maintain a clean, updated appearance. Older windows often show signs of wear, such as foggy glass, peeling paint, or warped frames, all of which detract from your home's beauty. New windows provide a crisp, clean look that immediately signals quality and care. Additionally, modern windows are easier to maintain and built to withstand Miami Beach's salt air, humidity, and intense sun, meaning your investment will keep looking great for years to come.
I call this one
Boost recent resale value and neighborhood appeal. With strong curb appeal, tend to sell faster and at higher prices. Upgrading to new, attractive windows shows buyers that your home is well maintained and move-in ready. It also helps your home stand out in the neighborhood, especially in a competitive market like Miami Beach. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to take pride in your home's appearance, windows are a high-impact improvement with lasting benefits. Final thought. In a place as vibrant and visually driven as Miami Beach, curb appeal matters, and new windows can be a game changer. With the right style, color, and features, your home can go from outdated to stunning while gaining added protection, comfort, and value. Ready to transform your home's exterior? Partner with a local window expert to explore options that fit your home's style, budget, and needs. Your dream curb appeal is just a window upgrade away.